Shravya, please log in again. Some technical problem, you are removed automatically. You are from Telaprolu, right? Maybe not 52201. Let it be some other. See, I'm just making examples. Okay. So I'm sorry here. MS. So now I'm going to add some name. From Google. Google. Not Google. You are from Gudivada, right? So I'll make this also as Telaprolu. What is your zip code, Mehak? Prithvi, do you have any? Amma? Type it, please. Prithvi, please type your zip code. 5201. Okay. Prithvi. You don't know? Take her your Aadhaar card. Definitely you'll come to know. So this is done. So I'm going to add one more. Where you hail from, Mahesh? Okay, let me make it. Balajiravpeta, Tenali. Okay, fine. Anyone from Kollur?
Yes, sir.
Who is that?
Sir Krishna.
You are from some Lanka, right?
Kollur, sir. Zip code.
You are from some Lanka. You are not
Find
from
out.
Kollur.
Sir.
What about 52201? Right, I made that only. Okay, sorry, 52201. Hemant. So you are from?
Kollur.
Okay.
Kollur.
Type the pin code, please. Off your mic and talk, man. Anyone from Kuchipudi side or Parmi side?
Sir, I am from Manduru, sir.
Ma?
Manduru, sir.
Type, please. Type, please. 5222324. I'm not going to send anything. This is just a rough data I'm typing. Manduru. Okay. Type your pin code, please, if you know. Anyone from Dugrala side? Or Imani? Okay, Nagasri. Type your location name and pin code. Shanmukha. So, with, Nagasri, please type pin code, ma. Who else from Angalgudru? Type your pin code. Okay, Ketan Singh. Having some problem with internet, so that it is only it is blinking. So some others 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Two more, please. If you could type, I'll type here. If you know your address, please type. I mean, your at least your pin code. Okay, thank you, Sushmita. Is your initial, ma? Yes, sir. Nanda. So after typing all this data, what I should do? I have to click on OK. So what happens? It will save the file in data sources. So I'm giving it as template. I'm giving the file name as template and saving it. Okay. And you have to check whether whatever we have typed came or not. Okay. Okay, is it so? Okay, done. So if there are any mistakes or if there are any updates, just click on this, go to edit and make it. Okay, and now, so since everything is here, just click on OK. So what happens? Your recipient list is created. And next, see here, write your letter. So before writing this, you have to place it. Okay, see here I'm placing the cursor here. Okay, after pressing the cursor, you have to click on address book. Okay, after going to address book, you have to check in which format you want. Since I typed like this, it is coming in similar manner. Okay, see here, if I want some other thing, see here, I got only Mehak, means I got only first name. Okay, so whatever the format you want, you can choose. Okay, see here, if you want here Fatima family, it is coming. Okay, so this is the preview and you can just click on OK. This is address book, means we are updating address book. Next, greeting line. Greeting in the sense salutation, dear, Mr., Miss, or to, whatever. Okay. So whatever we want, we can make it. See here, we are getting a preview. Dear MS Fatima. Next, click OK. And this electronic postage, if you want to send a mail, you have to download a software. Then only you can use this electronic postage. Okay, and more items, it will include all this. If you want to add, you can just check it. Okay. Now, after clicking on this address book, I'm sorry, go to preview your letters. Okay, in preview your letters, see here where it is created. Nana. One sec. Okay, click on OK. Yeah, see here, if you click on OK, you will get this address block. Okay, and then if you click on greeting line, so here, if you want that greeting line, just place the cursor and click on greeting line. And see here, click on OK. You will get this greeting line. Here, address block is there. And here, greeting line is there. You are unable to see?
Sir, not able to see the right side of the window, sir.
1 second, Nana. Maybe or open. 1 second. Okay. How about now? Check it now. Okay. So after clicking on, after selecting our data and all, okay, after creating data source, you go to the, see here, next write your letter. After going to write your letter, click on address block. In address block, it will select. So wherever you want, just place the cursor. Wherever you want to type the address of that particular candidate, just click on here. Okay. And then greeting line means dear, to whomever it may concern and all you'll get. So click the cursor wherever you want to print that greeting line. Okay. And then preview your letter. See here, I didn't type anything, but see, I'm getting it. Here you can check whether I got it for everyone, means for all the data, whomever I made it. See here. So I made 10 recipients, but it will get all 10 are displayed. Yes or no? I have taken 10 recipients. Okay. So if you want to exclude anyone, go here, edit recipient list, and you can delete some recipient if you don't want. Okay. See, all recipients are present here. And next, what you have to click, complete the merge. In this complete merge, just go to clear print. So if you want the current record, means the present one, you can make it. Okay, total 10 are there, so it will ask from page numbers. You can type. Got it? And click on OK. It will take you to the print window and you can click. So this is how you merge the mail with the content. Got it? So if you want recipient 2, recipient 3, recipient 4, recipient 5, all this you can make it. Understood? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? You can ask. Where I have to say? Which point you want? Which point you want? How to create data source? Are you people okay with that? How to create data source? Till how to create data source, you are good. Okay, fine. So yesterday we have written till third step. Okay, how to create data source. After typing create data source, you have to write your letter, means to whom you want to write. Okay, after typing letter, see here address block. How you are going to get it? See, I'll show it. You have to place the cursor where you want the address block. Okay, and select which format you want. Okay, and here you are getting all. You can check previews of all the names whatever we entered. If same letter has to be sent to many people, so first we have to create the data source of all the recipients to whom you want to send, and then click on OK. Then here address block will be appearing. Okay, and then next is greeting list. So place the cursor place the cursor where you want the recipient list and click on greeting line, means salutation, like respected sir, whatever you want, you can make it. Okay. Dear sir or madam, here it is there, or to whomever it may concern. You can select anything. If you want comma, you can use comma. If you want colon, you can use colon. And if you want to, you can use. If you don't want anything, just go for none. Okay, and click on OK. Here you are getting address block is the address one, and the greeting line is for salutation. And then go for preview your letters. See here, I am getting here recipient 6, recipient 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All the names, whatever the data source I have given, all the 10 names I am getting. I am not typing anything. I have just gave a data source and I can print it for all the 10. Okay. Complete the merge and click on print. This is how you are going to merge it. Okay. Understood now? Current record is for current page. All is for whatever all records are there. Means 10 records you want, you can make it for all. If you want for only 1 to 5, go for 1 and type 1 to 5 and click OK. You will get only 5 records. Since I don't have a printer, I can't show you that. Understood now? Understood now? How about Abdullah Khurshid? Nagashri Valli? Okay, fine. Thank you. Next one is labeling. What is labeling in general terms? What is labeling in general terms? Afrin, can you define, ma? What is labeling? What is labeling?
Labeling means title.
Pardon?
Title, or we have to, if you want to label anything, we can label.
What is that? What if you want to label anything means what? Giving names to a particular content, right? Suppose a bottle is there and if you want to name it, okay. If you want to name it, then we can give. Suppose company name, okay, like Thumbs Up, Coke, how you are calling, how you are identifying it by giving a particular name. In similar way, suppose if you are going to, if you are in a kitchen and if you don't know where all this sugar, salt and everything is there, okay, some boxes are something you can see with like name, sugar, tea, coffee kind of things. Okay, that is called as labeling. Here also we can use labeling. Okay, how we have to use that? How to? I'm showing it. Hope you can see. Is it visible? Okay. Yes, Nazma. Right. So go to start mail match. Go to step by step. Go to step by step mail wizard and see here we are in select labels here. Okay, after selecting label we have to type start document and see here we are getting label options. Okay, in this label options, how many you want to print for a page? Suppose if you want to print the same addresses for different purposes, ante ఎక్కువ copies కావాలి అంటే we can use this labeling and I am making it as 1/4 of the letter. Okay, and then selecting OK. So see here, label options I have selected and I have selected 1/4 of the letter. Okay, and what happens? Go for select recipients. Or if you want to make it for one sec. See, if I want to use the same existing list, means where I have typed, you can select them, or you can go for a new list if you want to type again, and then go to arrange your labels. Here what you have to do is you can check address label and you can okay it. Okay, see here, address and next records, update all labels. See, I am getting okay. And after clicking on update all labels, go to preview your labels. So I am getting, since I have selected half per letter, I am able to see 2 recipients per page. So if I want all in one page, where I have to select them? Where I have to select them? If I want all in one page, where I have to select? See here, in label options, go for 30 per page and click on OK. Okay, so go for next select. I'm using existing list, and after that arrange your labels. So address block is there. See, since I selected 30 per page and I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 I got in a same one. Okay, and then update all labels. So here it is updated with address block and records, whatever is there in data source. Preview. See here. Before we have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, all the 10 are done in a same page. So if you want to, sure. And next, after clicking on this, go to complete merge and then go to print. Then whatever the records are there, you will get it in your one page to whomever you are sending it. Okay. If we add more and more, is it visible to us? Yes. Even if you give some 100 or 150 or 200, yes, you will get. Why? Because this is planned for making our work easy. Suppose if any company is recruiting some people for job purpose and all, if there are some 1,000 people who are recruited newly, they cannot type their emails, address and all every time. So what they will do, they will add all their data into that data source and they will make it. Okay, so that the content will not change, only the names will be changed. Or else what we have to do, we have to type each and every name in different pages. But here in same page, you can take printout, just change the name. Okay, automatically it will change the names. If you are adding, yes, you can get. Yes, you can get. Even if you want 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000, you can get it. Okay. So I'm stopping.